For me, summer is a great season for lounging. It feels like I've been saying goodbye to my muscles after a week of staying at home. So it's time to change something. In the Little Lamb's fitness plan. First, the equipment must be complete. The hard-earned muscle training needs to have a sense of ritual. Thighs, back, dust. Not a single bit can be missed. Since I've been exercising for so long, a big meal would be a waste of effort. Let's see what food we have at home. Oden chicken soup with large tomato, it's all good. However, if I want something light, then it would be oden. Tundi will handle the vegetables with the help of the soup stock. For the white radish, only take the middle part. Carefully peel off the skin with a knife to remove most of the tough fibers, which will prevent it from tasting bitter and allow it to absorb more flavor when cooked for a long time. Using large tomatoes instead of small tomatoes can ensure that the soup base does not become cloudy and is more suitable for summer oden. Aside from the konjac combined with the fish cake, the remaining ingredients can be chosen according to personal preference. After all, oden is essentially a mixed dish. Add clear water and low-fat soup stock to a large pot. With only 22 calories, it is very suitable as a low-fat meal after exercise. Wait until the white radish becomes almost transparent before adding the remaining ingredients and continue to cook for 25 minutes. With the rich and sweet flavors brought by bonito, sea shrimp, kombu, and apple juice, today's oden is bound to be delicious. You can taste the salted egg. Flavor halfway through and it will be ready to serve. Let's pair the main dish with buckwheat noodles.